Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Monday. It's a beautiful Monday. The storm hasn't hit us yet here in California. I know not on my side as of yet. So I'm situated. So what I'm making is some evil eye earrings right now. And I am using some of the aluminum wire to make the charms on the bottom, and this is what the earrings are going to look like. I'm making these in bulk so I can sell them in wholesale. I am going to be putting these on um, the Fair wholesale website. And if you're interested in becoming a wholesaler, the link to apply for Fair is in the description area down there. So this is what I'm working on right now. So I'm using that aluminum wire, and we're gonna go ahead and use these black and pink beads for right now. So my thought is to just do, I'm gonna do a couple that are the same, but then I'm going to make them in different colors too. So, and when I sell these in quantity, I am gonna sell them 50 per case. So I'll be working on these pretty much all day today. And then we end up with them like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my pliers, grab the wire about right there, fold the wire over like we always do. Go ahead and yeah, I think I put one on backwards. Let me look at something. I did put one on backwards. So let me take this one off. And then turn it around like this. And close it back off. Now they should be opposites attract. So let's see what we got. Yeah, we got opposites attract. So let me go ahead and put the I had to buy some more jump rings too. I'm gonna learn how to make these. I was watching somebody's video the other day, and they were making some of these ear wires, and they look so simple to do. But I was like, you know what? I don't know. I might have to try them out and see what I come out with. And let's do. That on there. Go ahead and close it. No, that's the right. Well, nope. I did put it on backwards. I can tell that I put it on backwards because the wire is in the front. And I always like my wire, the closed part, to be in the back. So I am going to open this one. Shoot. Wait a minute. And I'm off on this Monday morning. Let's open this one. Do it this way. And that should be how it should be. Yep. Because I always like the closure for the wire to be in the back. And then we're going to do our second one. Okay, and then I want it. Let me make sure that's the right way before I close it. Nope, that's not the right way. Dang, I am off this morning. Okay, so these are what we're making. How cute are these, right? So we got a couple of pair of these made. I am going to be making a lot of these today. I got a lot of the evil eye beads. So these are going to be the evil eye earrings. I'm selling these wholesale, putting these on the fair, and then a couple of other websites. And then they'll also be on the Amazon website too. Look how pretty those are, right? Cute, very different, very unique little earrings. All the supplies to make these are in the description area. The aluminum wire, the evil eye beads, the actual copper, gold tone copper wire, and the ear. These ear wires I got at I think Joann's, but you can find some pretty decent ear wires on Amazon. But this is what I'm making today. And guess what, family? Be sure to have a good day, and we'll talk.